Hey everyone, in this video I'll be guiding you on how to hot swap keycaps and switches on your Keychron keyboard. Make sure you use the included keycaps and switch pullers. The keyboard came with Keychron G Pro brown switches with PBT double shot keycaps. Use the keycap puller and align it as shown. Make sure you don't align it to the center, which might pull out both the keycap and switch together. Once it's aligned, just wiggle a bit and pull it with a lighter force. I'll replace Option and Command keys with Alt and Windows keys on both the sides. I'll speed up the video since the process is the same for all the keys. Finally, I'll show you how to use the switch puller. Make sure the puller is aligned as shown in the video, that is top and bottom, instead of left and right sides of the switch, which are fragile. Once aligned, you can pull it and make sure the pins are not bent when you want to put it back. Otherwise, you might have to replace the entire switch. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.